This crow has been doing this for like 20 minutes. Probably longer. Okay, and I just want to talk about for a second the sound. The sound meaning like we're in a container. And I don't care how crazy that sounds, I really don't. I've been noticing that with the birds, like we're not really outside, but clearly I'm sitting outside facing the sun right now. I notice these things. And this crow has been going at it for a while. And crows, they warn us. They bring us warnings. It sounds like we're in a container. The sun is not real. There's no way this is the real sun. I mean, I know it's not. Go look it up online. If you're not believing me, that's cool. You don't have to believe me, but sun simulators are real. You can even go find the patent for it. Our sun isn't washed out white. So something's blocking our sun, our real sun. And just the way these birds sound. Something feels off. I'm sorry, I just can't shake it. Doesn't sound like outside. Like outside. It doesn't. It sounds like if you went to, I don't know, whatever that's called, where all the birds are. Sorry, I do know the name of it, just not coming to my brain right now. An enclosed space. It sounds like we're in an enclosed space. Anyway, have a beautiful day. Those are my thoughts of the morning so far. Peace, love, and light.